So guys, if you actually check on my screen right here, this is actually the payment history of one of my Adsterra account right here. You can see this is the payment history right here. And if you check this particular Adsterra account, you are going to notice that this is an old Adsterra account that I've been using. Okay, you can see I started receiving payment on this Adsterra account since 2023. You can see back then I was receiving somewhere around $647 on this account. And you can see, and in 2024 too, I also received a payment of about $40 on this Adsterra account. And I started working on this Adsterra account about some few months ago. You can see on what you can see on the 6th of last month. Yes, on the 6th of last month 2025, which was on the 17th. I think I got paid $234 on this Adsterra account right here. Okay. And guys, if you actually watch this particular video to the end, I will show you how you can also start getting this kind of result with Adsterra. Okay, what we are gonna be using is our Adsterra direct link. It's very simple. Okay, so in this particular video, I will teach you everything you need to know as a complete beginner and how you can start making money with Adsterra and be receiving payments like this as a beginner, even if you don't have money to basically invest into buying traffic. Okay, so let's just dive into the video right now. The first thing I actually want you to do is log into your Adsterra account. Okay, so if you don't have an account on Adsterra, just go to adsterra.com and register a new account. Okay, so guys, if you actually check inside my account right here, I have somewhere around $687 right here. Okay, this account alone I've generated over $600, and the crazy part is I did this with free traffic, and that is what I want to basically teach you right now. Okay, so guys, once you actually log into your new registered account on Adsterra, or maybe you already have an existing account, the next thing you have to basically do to be making this amount of money is to go ahead and actually create a direct link. Okay, so to create a direct link is very simple. All you just need to do is go ahead and click on the menu bar right here. Once you click on the menu bar right here, click on this section that says direct link. And once you actually click on the direct link, scroll down, and if your account is new, you can just go ahead and click on this section that says add direct link. Like click on it, add direct link. Then you can now go ahead and create an outdot direct link. We need an outdot direct link. The reason is because an outdot direct link will increase your CPM when people basically click on it. And remember that on Adsterra, the higher your CPM, the more money you are going to be making. Okay, and once you create your direct link, you are going to see your direct link right there. But if you already have an existing direct link, you don't need to create another direct link again. You can just use your existing direct links. Okay, and you can see I have over 11 different direct links right here. And the crazy part is I am using all the direct links you are seeing on my screen right here. So once you create your direct link, or you have an already existing direct link already, all you just need to do is copy the direct link right here. Then right from there, I am going to actually teach you how you can actually drive traffic to this particular direct link and make over $600 for yourself. Okay, so let me show you something. If you check inside my account right here, I have over $687, and this is the same strategy that I use in achieving this by sending free traffic to my direct link. Okay, so I'm just going to actually copy my direct link right here. Then right from there, we are just going to actually go ahead and shorten the direct link. Okay, so guys, when you copy your direct link from Adsterra, normally the direct link does not look professional. It does not look very nice, so people will be scared to click on it. Are you getting it? People might think it is virus. So in order for our direct link to actually look professional, first of all, we have to actually shorten the direct link. We have to use a link shortener to actually shorten the direct link. Then right from there, our direct link is going to look professional. Then right from there, I will show you how you can actually promote this direct link. Okay, so guys, to actually shorten your direct link, we are going to be using an application called Bitly. Okay, you can just go to the App Store or Play Store and actually download it. Okay, so when you go to the App Store, if you're using an iPhone, you go to the App Store and you search for Bitly, you can actually get it. Okay, Bitly, you get it on the App Store. This is it right here. But if you don't want to download the application, you can just open your Google Chrome and search for it to use it online. So Bitly is, if you search for Bitly online, you will see the website bitly.com. So you can just create an account on the website and actually use it to shorten your link. But in my case, I'm gonna be using the application to shorten my link. Are you getting it? So this is it right here. I'll open up the application. Once I open up the application, I'll click on the plus button. Then right from here, this is where you enter your long URL. Your long URL is going to be your Adsterra direct link. Okay, so I'm just going to actually go to my Adsterra direct link. This is my Adsterra account. You can see $600 in the account right here. You can see $600. So let me copy my direct link right here. I will copy it, then move back to the platform, paste in my direct link right there. This is my direct link. You can see the direct link does not look professional. So once you are done, click on create and wait for it. You can see link shortened. You can see, let's wait for it. So we have successfully shortened our link. So I'm just going to actually go ahead and copy it, copy my shortened link. So guys, once you actually copied your shortened link, I'm now going to show you how you can actually promote it. So guys, in order for you to actually promote your Adsterra direct link and increase your CPM to make a lot of money, first of all, we are going to be using a platform. So I want you to open your web browser and search for classify ads. Once you search for classify ads, you are going to be seeing it at the first page of Google, classifyads.com. It's called classifyads.com right here. You can see, click on it to basically open up the website. Okay, so this website is one of the biggest advertising platform, and the crazy part is you don't need to basically pay any money to post your ad on this particular platform. So all you just need to do is, once you get to this website, click on this section that says post your ad for free. Click on it and wait for it. Then right from there, they are going to ask you for the category of your ad. So you just have to go ahead and actually select jobs as the category right here, jobs. Then right from there, they will ask you to select the sub category. In this case, we are just going to go ahead and actually select business opportunity. Then our location. Guys, this is very, very important. This is very, very important. This is where we are going to actually target the country we want. The country we want them to actually click on our direct link. So if you want people from the United States to see your ad, you have to make sure you put the United States over there. If you want people from the Canada, New York, UK to click on your link, you have to target the country you want right here. In my case, I want to actually target, let's say, New York. Let's see if I will see New York right here. Yes, New York. As you can see, New York. Okay, I'll select New York right here. Then they are going to actually ask you for the title of the ad. With the title of the ad, this is the title of the ad. You can see this is the title of the ad. We are going to use the giveaway method. We are using the giveaway method. So the title of the ad is going to be win a $300 gift card. So let me copy it. Okay, so the title of the ad is going to be win a $300 gift card. Are you getting it? And the price is going to be $300. $300. Are you getting it? And guys, when we get to the description section, this is very, very important. We are going to be using this script. So let me copy the script from ChatGPT. If you need this script, I will drop the script at the description. You can copy it from there, or you can just screenshot it and you can actually keep it safe so that anytime you want to practice it, you can get the script yourself. So let me paste in the script right here. So guys, this is the script that I pasted right here. Let me show you. This is the script right here. So guys, this is actually the script that I pasted right here. This is it right here. And when you get to this section, you are going to be putting your link right here, your Adsterra direct link. So let me clean this and show you guys something. When you get to this section that says click below to enter now, go to your Adsterra account and actually copy your Adsterra direct link. Make sure you shorten your link first. Let me shorten. This is the shortened link. This is my Adsterra direct link, but I shortened it. Are you getting it? Then you paste it right here. You paste it right there. Are you getting it? So you can see that is my link. This is my Adsterra direct link right here. You can see this is it right there. Then once you are basically done, you have to actually go ahead and put in your name right here. So put in your first name. I'm going to be putting in Matthew. Then my email, I'm just going to be putting my email right here. Then my email again. So let me put in my email again. Matthew Marketing 788 at gmail.com. Then right from there, you are going to also put in your phone number right here. It's very, very important. Or you can just ignore it. The phone number is not that important, but you can just ignore it. Your zip code, you can put in your zip code right here. And guys, when you get to this section, they are going to ask you, when do you want your ad to expire? When do you want your ad to expire? In our case, we should put our ad to expire in 9 months time. So this platform is going to be keeping your ads on the platform for 9 months before they delete it. Are you getting it? Then you complete this capture right here, this security right here. And guys, when you get to this section where they are going to be asking you for the image, getting the image, let me show you how you can actually get the image for this particular giveaway offer. Just go to Google and search for $300 gift card giveaway. $300 gift card. Just search for $300 gift card giveaway. $300 gift card give away. And we are going to find some images we can download. Okay, so let me download this. I think this is good. I'll download it. Then I'll get to my ads. When I get to my ads, I'll click on the image section right here, choose the image on my phone. Then I'll upload it. This is it. Then right from there, once you put in the image, agree to their terms and conditions. Then right from there, click on post this ad. Once you click on post this ad, wait for the platform to post the ad. If you check right here, they say your ad has been posted. You can see this is it right here. So when people actually get to this website is going to show them the ad, and this ad will be shown to people in New York because you have targeted a specific city. You can see this is the city right here. So once these people see your ad, automatically they are going to actually click on your direct link, thinking that they are going to be getting $300 gift card. Are you getting it? Meanwhile, it is your direct link. So this is how you can actually promote your Adsterra direct link on this platform called Classify Ads. And if you have any question, let me know at the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.